guys, welcome back to my channel. We're back after a short break. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my take on the Goan sausage chili fry. We've just come back from a short trip to Mumbai to visit my parents and family, and I thought that was the perfect time to put together a video on how I make my Goan sausage chili fry because I haven't been able to get my hands on some good quality Goan sausages here in Sydney. Now, to make my chili fry today, I'm using these rosary beet sausages. They're just called so because of the appearance. Basically, the sausage meat is put into casings and then they're tied up into little beads that resemble those that you might see on a rosary. Now, apart from this, you also get another variety of Goan sausages that are put in casings and tied into larger links like your typical sausage. Whichever variety you get, the first thing you're going to do is take the meat out of the casing. To do this, with a sharp knife, I carefully make a slit in the casing and you can snip through the thread as well. Get all the meat out and you're ready to proceed with the cooking. Let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need for your chili fry now. I've got about 6 to 8 fresh curry leaves here. About 3 green chilies. Now these are mild, but I've chopped them into larger chunks so they can be fished out. A couple of pieces of ginger, 1.5 large onion or 2 medium-sized onions chopped, and 2 potatoes cut into cubes. I'm also going to be using 1 large tomato that I've chopped up. Now apart from this, you're going to need your sausage. I've used the meat from about 60 beads of sausages. You can use as much as you think you're going to need. And I'm going to add some salt to taste. Now, depending on your sausages, you might need to add a little vinegar later in the cooking process. Now, the cooking process is a little different for this chili fry compared to the other chili fries that I normally make. I don't use any additional oil because the sausage has enough fat in it. In a large pot, I simply layer the ingredients, starting with the sausage meat. Then I add in the potatoes, the onions, the curry leaves, the chili and the ginger, the tomatoes, and I top that off with about 1.5 cups of water. If you'd like, you could start off with 1 cup and add more water if needed towards the end. A lot of the liquid quantities will depend on the sausage, the size of the potato pieces that you're using. I give everything a good mix to make sure all the ingredients are well distributed. Add a touch more water. Like I said, I start off with about 1.5 cups. Stir everything well to mix it up. This water quantity looks about right. Put the lid on and you're going to bring this to a boil. In a few minutes, I check on the mix again. Once I see that it has started coming to a boil, I can see the water bubbling under. Turn the heat to a medium and cover the pot again and let this chili fry cook until the meat and the potatoes have completely cooked. This took me roughly about 15 to 20 minutes. Once the meat and the potato has cooked off and most of the liquid has dried off, I like my chili fry on the drier side. If you like a more of a gravy feel to your chili fry, you can keep a little more liquid in the pot. At this stage, I typically check for seasoning. If needed, I add some salt at this point and some vinegar. Now, whether or not you need to add salt and vinegar really depends on the sausage meat that you're using. So please taste your chili fry first to see how much you need. So at this point, I'm going to add a little salt and a small splash of vinegar. And I'm simply going to stir this, let it cook off for about another minute or so because I've just added the vinegar. I'll check for seasoning again and adjust if needed. And my sausage chili fry is ready. On a side note, if the liquid in your pot has dried off and your potatoes or meat have not yet cooked through thoroughly, you can always add a little more water and cover the pot and let it cook until everything has cooked through. And that's it. Your chorizo or your Goan sausage chili fry is ready to be plated up. Now this is an absolute delicacy when served with some delicious bread or pao. We call this chorizo pao in Goa. If you're not serving it with bread, it also pairs beautifully with my peas pulao. If you haven't seen my video on how to make peas pulao, I'll link that up right here so that you can check it out. In addition to this, you can also serve this up with some chapatis if you'd like. It's a quick and easy dish and is an absolute crowd pleaser. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's quick and easy recipe. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below. Once you've done that, hit that little bell icon to get notified every time a new video gets uploaded. Also, if you have family and friends that you think will enjoy this video, go ahead and share this with them. Thank you so much for watching today, guys. I'm going to see you really soon with another delicious recipe. So till then, take care. Bye.